In this quick video guide, we're going to see another artificial intelligence application, which is called Deep AI. It's a web app, so you can just open it in the web. So I'm going to search it and I'm going to click on the first result. So you can see that with this, we have the possibility to do chat, image generator, text generator, and video generator also. So we're going to try with the video generator because we already tried with other artificial intelligence to generate text and like with ChatGPT or images, but with this one here I want to try the video, which is something that is usually like for pro version not always available. But here you don't need to create this, you don't need to register, you don't need to log in, just go here and generate. So that's the first nice thing about Deep AI. So I'm gonna go directly in the video. I just copy and paste a prompt that I'm gonna use, but you can put anything you like. So what I want to do here is try to create like a witch character. So I want to do kind of character design. I want to use this for animating a character. And I think it's good because as I saw that we have like the result is always a little bit cartoonish. We have kind of a cartoon effect. But anyway, I'm gonna make a video and it's gonna start to generate based on the prompts. So based on the chat or based on the tags that I just copy and paste in there. And we can also have a pro version here. Okay, it's called the Genius version, which is not free. So if you want, you can pay and have like extra power, I guess. And that's the first result, which I already really like because it's not defined, but it's kind of a animated sketch in a way, animated drawing, which I really like. I don't know if it can be used for any situation, but by what I'm trying to do is kind of creating a character, like create a concept of a character. So for that, I think it's fine. And then you can share, you can download the video, you can download the animation GIF, so you can use it on a website, you can use this as an animated graphic, or you can then bring it into another software for uh, graphic design or video editing, etc. Now I'm just gonna try more results. So I'm just gonna adjust the text a little bit. It's a pretty long text, so it's not exactly what I had in mind. So I try to change it a little bit. I had something in mind like a witch on a broom. So flying with other cats and dogs, but probably you never get uh, as first results the thing that you want. You need to adjust a lot, spend some time experimenting with the results, and then eventually you're gonna get really close to what you have in mind. But this is just the beginning of AI or artificial intelligence. I think we're gonna see more in the future. And as I see down there in the gallery, people are generating something more realistic. But um, what I'm doing here is always getting kind of a fantasy cartoon and drawing, like comic books effect. So I try to generate more and try to make this realistic as a photo, but I really cannot do that. So probably because I'm not using the Genius version or something like that. So I'm gonna make this bigger. And again, this is another test which looks better, but not yet realistic, even though it's nice and pretty colorful and inspiring in a way. So I can use this to create a character, perhaps using other apps or using the pro version. So I'm trying to do more tests and see what happens. But I always return with this like graphic novel style, something like that. But it's really good. I mean, depending on what you need to do, it's not precise as any other AI. We see things missing or things moving strangely. Like I cannot manage to put the broom on the correct position, etc., etc. Now, what I want to do is try with an image. Try to upload an image, and I downloaded some images of witches and stuff, which I'm gonna try to use, or I can upload things that I've done. So, for example, this is a 3D character design video course that I've done in Blender, starting from like the sketches and then going to the last details, to the refinements. But I can take some of these sketches maybe. So you can try to sketch your character before you can even start generating like images. So I found this, I think on the web, but I can try using this, see what's gonna happen. And it doesn't work. So apparently when I try to upload any image is not working. I don't know if it's because it's kind of an advanced feature that it doesn't let me create the animation starting from a sketch, which could be really, really interesting. I didn't try with like a realistic image or like a photo or something. So maybe it wants that it doesn't like sketches, but you can do your own test and also write in the comments if you think you have managed to do this. But as I continue here, it doesn't accept images. I got those from the web. um, Now, also this one here is closer to a witch, so maybe this will be good. And but all the tests I'm doing, they're not returning. They're giving me errors. I don't know why. So there you go. So I'll try to reload the page. So again, I think these are all experimental tools in a way. So sometimes they get stuck. So I'm gonna try to refresh and trying to upload an image again from my computer, and also try to put some easiest prompt the easiest prompt. So let's try, and again doesn't let me through. One last test. I'm gonna try to generate a sketch of a character directly using the AI generator, and then use the same image as a reference image to generate the animation, and let's see if this works. So let's do something simple. Create a sketch of a witch with a cat costume flying on broom. So let's generate, and let's see what happens. Again, everything is free, and yeah, there you go. So I think it's really nice, and I can definitely use it. And let's see. Now I'm gonna download it in the computer, as I can download any image, any animation, anything from Deep AI. Apparently, not asking for any payment at the moment, so everything is totally free. I don't see credits or anything. I don't need to log in or register, so really nice. And let's use now this image as a reference to generate a video. It's gonna be the last test, so if it goes well, that's it. Otherwise, there you go. I think it just, yeah, gave an error again. So I didn't manage to do this, but we can definitely use Deep AI with many features to generate stuff, as you can see here, more or less realistic, more unrealistic than realistic, as I can see, but that's totally fine. We can definitely use it for many reasons. So this will be all for this guide. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, please subscribe to the channel to stay updated for more video guides on AI and any other graphic design and video editing and much, much more. And if you want to thank us, if you want to support us, join the channel as a supporter. And you can go and check our video courses and video guides that we publish every day. So thanks again. See you in the next video guide.